We have this entire calendar here with all of the dates since the 4th of February, all the way down to when we move. We've got our checklist, things to bring with us on the plane, and this is all the people we want to see, and we're just so organized. Plus, check out that cute little art. Oh, my man is the cutest. All right, so we're continuing packing the house, and we're getting like this little packing pod that we are shipping all of our furniture in, and we just like duct taped a space to see if it's gonna fit. Okay, all of our furniture has to fit in this cargo container. Look how small it is, y'all. This is literally the space. So from here to here to here, and then that tape on the top. I don't know if you can see the tape there, but this is how much space we have to fit all of our furniture and all of our things. Wish us fucking luck. One more time. Everybody, may I have your attention, please? Raise your glasses to the baddest and the best there ever was, ever will be, and forevermore. Up to Hawaii you go. Congratulations. I am. Look at this. You got Are you going too? On Saturday.
Okay. Shoe. Yes, we got the spot here today for an Aquarius Queen's birthday.
It's her birthday.
It's her birthday. It's her birthday. Yes. Very cute.
We're on our way.
Music video status.
Actually, not yet. Not yet. We're detouring currently.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, we're detouring right now. Here she goes.
All right, good morning. Today is the day that we put all of our stuff into our shipping container. We're a little bit nervous. We hope everything can fit, but we're fucking ready. We're ready to go. So I'm so excited. This is our bedroom. It's like pretty much everything taken down. Like our bed is taken down. Our whole house is pretty much in this fucking room. All of our stuff is here. So wish us luck. I hope we can move everything into our container and that everything fits. So our container just got here. This shit is a fucking small. I'm starting to worry. We're gonna see if this works out. Oh yeah, and also thank you to the bestie in the whole world who's helping us move. She's the best. Like, all our stuff has to fit in one of those.
It's gonna be alright.
It's that one, yeah. All right, y'all, shit's getting real. Look at her go. Look at her go. Big crew. What do you guys feel? Think everything's gonna fit in that little box?
It doesn't look like it. I think it will. It will fit. It will fit. I don't think the bike is going to fit.
Yeah, I don't know about that bike.
I don't even know about the couches.
I don't know about the couch either.
Fuck
I'm a
the
little
couches.
nervous. Fuck the couches. Fuck the bikes.
Couches, fuck the bikes.
I got my
Everything
legs.
else, definitely,
Fuck the
100%.
police.
Everything else. I think that we'll see.
We're gonna see. Wish us luck. Are you okay, sir?
I did not see that.
Neither. He's floating in the air. There he goes. Right? Send her down. Here she is. Can you stand next to it? Okay, that's not too bad. He's a big bitch. We can make this happen. Open her up. Okay. Looks very small. We're gonna somehow make this work. Progress. We've got the mattress.
The dressers are coming in here. Come on, bring it back, Big Daddy. We are doing well. We're stacking it up. We still got some space. We're getting there for sure. Yep. Right, you guys, we fucking did it. Our whole life, literally, inside this container. She is stacked. There was no room for anything else. We had to leave behind a couch, and our bikes. So 2 bikes and a couch didn't fit, but like, that's fine. We're Gucci. We're good. Let's close her up. Oh. Oh. Ow. Did it. High five. Everything inside of here. Crazy.
Our whole life protected with one padlock.
Damn, lock her up and ship her across the ocean. All right, the day has come. Our house is completely empty. I know there's a huge echo because there's no furniture, but holy shit, I'm feeling so many feels, so many emotions. It's like this place was our home and our sanctuary for like a year and a half, and now we're not only leaving our home, but we're leaving California, we're leaving all of our friends, our family, and starting a new adventure. I feel sad, but very, very excited and really looking forward to our new journey. And I can't believe in like 6 or 7 hours, we're gonna be at our new place in fucking Hawaii. It still hasn't hit me. I'm just feeling so many things. Exhaustion is for sure one of them because this move has been a lot. Emotionally, physically, all the things, but can't wait to see you guys. We are in Hawaii. All right, this is everything we have. Bringing 2 checked-in luggages and 1 carry-on and a backpack each. And this is what we're bringing. The day has finally come. Oh my God, I'm so ready for this move to just be over and to go to the fucking beach. Literally cannot wait. There she is. Oops.
There, that's the one.
That's her box. She's on her way. She's got a long journey ahead of her. Going all the way to Hawaii.
How long of a drive is it to Hawaii?
Probably at least.
That's what I got asked in the supermarket the other day.
That's hilarious. Alright, goodbye Long Beach. Bye car, I'm gonna miss you. See you in a few weeks. Here we are at the airport. All our stuff in the car packed in. Here we are at the airport, pushing all these goddamn bags. We got this. At the airport, ready for the flight. Yes. We got all of our bags. We're at the airport, just waiting for our Uber. All right, we finally made it. We're at our apartment. Fuck, it's like midnight right now and I'm so fucking exhausted. It's been such a long day. We were up at like 6 in the morning cleaning our house. Our shipping container was picked up. We had to drop off my car. We had our flights. It's been a big day, but tomorrow I will give you guys an official tour of our place. You are going to love it. I know that I fucking love it. I can't wait to make it our home. But for now, I am just exhausted, tired as fuck. My brain is just completely offline, and it's time for me to get some sleep. Mwah. All right, good morning. Here is our house tour. I am seriously in love with this place. Okay, let's do this. All right, so as we enter the front door, here is gonna be our bedroom. We kind of have our shit all over the place, but look at this. We zoom out. Holy moly, we have so much space. The lighting is fantastic. We've got a door that leads to the balcony, which I will show later. We've got a bathroom and a shower here. Fuck, I love it. And mirrors. Oh yes, I hope this thing is not shaking too much. So coming out of the bedroom, over here, we've got the kitchen. And this is such a big, spacious kitchen. Like, we did not have a microwave or a dishwasher at our old place, and I am so grateful that we do. This is seriously life-changing, and it's so big. Over here, we've got our living room, which is also such a big space. Now, these couches, our landlord was super nice and kind of left some furniture, so we have some things until our actual furniture gets here in a couple of weeks. Then over here, we've got another bathroom and a shower. And then here, this is a second bedroom, but I'm actually going to use it as the new Bad Bitch headquarters. So this is where I'm gonna be doing all my YouTube videos. I'm gonna be putting a stripper pole somewhere over here and just putting a lot of pink and money and sparkling things, which I'm super excited about. Coming out here, once again, we have our living room. And then my favorite part of the fucking house is this fucking balcony. Look at this. This balcony is huge. 27-foot balcony, okay? And it wraps all the way around. So we're gonna end up putting a hammock somewhere over there and just making this a whole fucking vibe, which I literally cannot wait. I am seriously just feeling so grateful that we're here, and I still can't believe it. So for today, we're honestly like really tired. It's been a long day of traveling and packing and doing everything with our house back in Long Beach. So now we're just gonna take the day to chill, go to the beach, hang out, get some food, probably sleep early, and we will come back with you tomorrow as we get some more things done. Oh my god, what is that? An ocean view! I can see it. No, that's the furthest. My eyes can see though. But y'all, look at this view from our balcony during the daytime. Wow, the sunrise is looking so beautiful. We got this way, and then on this side. Wowzers! Fuck yeah!